Hi, welcome to Work Play Print, where we create learn along videos for kids. Today we are going to be doing letter H worksheet from daycareworksheets.com. The link is below and I will show you how to download it now. If you already have it downloaded, you can skip on along ahead to the learn along portion of the video. When you click the link below, you will be brought to this webpage. This is the letter H worksheet at daycareworksheets.com. You're going to scroll down and click on Beginning Sounds Letter H Phonics Worksheet PDF to download it, or the Printable Letter H Beginning Sounds Phonics Worksheet. You can click that to download it directly from your browser. For this activity, you will need a pencil, a glue or glue stick, scissors, colored pencils or crayons, and the worksheet. And we will be using scissors for this activity, so if your child has not mastered scissors yet, please be available to help them with that skill. Alright, so today we are doing the letter H worksheet here. The first thing we're going to be doing is writing our name at the top of the page. Okay, so the next thing we will do is tracing the letters. We're going to be tracing an uppercase H and a lowercase h. I trace the uppercase H, and for the lowercase h, I'm starting at the top. Go down, up, and do your curve back down to the bottom. And here in this box, we are going to be drawing a line from the H circle to the objects that begin with the letter H. So the first one, I think, is a saucer of some kind. Does saucer start with H? Saucer. It does not. So we will not draw a line to the saucer. What about dolphin? Dolphin. Does dolphin start with H? D. That's right, D. Dolphin starts with a D. What about turtle? Turtle. Is that the H sound? No, that's not. So we are not drawing a line to any of those objects. What about horse? Horse. Is that the H sound? Yes, that's the H sound. So we're drawing a line from H to the horse. So next we are going to be using scissors. If you have not mastered scissors yet, please ask an adult for help. We're going to be cutting these objects and then asking ourselves if they start with H or not. All right, and so here are the four objects: a snake, a hippo, an owl, and a house. So the first object I will look at is a snake. Does snake start with H? Snake. Is that the H sound? No, so we're going to put it in the no box. What about owl? Owl. Is that the H sound? Does that start with H? No, we're trying to hear the for H. What about hippo? Hippo. Do we hear the H sound here? Yes, so hippo starts with H. What about house? House. Does that have the H sound at the beginning? Yes. Hippo and house both start with H. And you can glue those pictures down so that later you'll be able to color them. And down here at the bottom, we have an H. This is an uppercase H, and we're looking for the lowercase h. And if we want to remind ourselves of what a lowercase h looks like, we can look up here at where we traced it. So here's our uppercase h, and here's our lowercase h. So here, when we find our lowercase h, we're going to circle it. Okay, so the lowercase h is this letter. So here's our uppercase h, and here's our lowercase h. These letters, this is a lowercase n for nose. This is a lowercase f for fly. This is a lowercase e for elephant. Now you can go ahead and color any of the pictures. You can color these little images here that we did, or these up here, and make this worksheet beautiful. Thanks so much for following along, and I will see you next time. Bye.